Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll show you guys the best Game Boy Advance emulator that you can get for your PSP. So all of the links are in the description. The first link is just this PSP beta scene page, and basically this is the emulator right here. It's called Temp GBA for PSP. So you can read here what this improves on. So it's improving on emulation and sound. So I have tested out already and I've noticed that the sound is actually really good on some games. So this is the emulator that I was using before, the unofficial GPSP KAI. So that one was okay, but it did have a few sound problems and a few sort of emulation glitches. So this one here is actually pretty good. So if you guys want to download it, you can go ahead. If you're fine with the one you've already got, then that's fine. This emulator was actually made in 2016, so it's fairly recent for a PSP game. So the link is up here. I just made like another link on a Google Drive page because I put some ROMs in it, so you guys can just go ahead and download that. So once it's downloaded, head over to your downloads folder. Here it is, PSP GBA emulator. So what you want to do is just right click and then do extract here. Okay, so now here's my PSP connected, and this file you just want to put it in the PSP's game folder. And this emulator also comes with cheats for pretty much every game. Right guys, so once that's copied across, you can just find it in your game folder right here. So that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is disconnect my PSP from my PC and show you guys what to do next.
Right guys, so once you're on your PSP, you can just scroll across the game section, then go onto your memory card. Scroll down and you will find the emulator. Here it is, Temp GBA mod. So this is actually just like a modded version. So what you can do, just press X to launch it, and you will need custom firmware. Okay, so it's a very basic screen. It will just bring you up with all of these games. I'm just going to load a game. I'm going to go for Super Mario Advance 4. So you just press circle to launch it. So it's just going to load like normal. You can just go ahead and start a game. So as you can see, the game seems to run really well. But what I like to do is just press the home button. From here you can configure loads of settings. So if you scroll down to emulator options and press circle, there's some stuff you can do here. So display mode, you probably want to put it on user GU, and then scroll down a bit, show FPS, you can turn that on as well. Then you can just press X to go back, X to go back again. And as you can see, now it's pretty much full screen and the 60 FPS is showing up there in the corner. You can turn it on and off by pressing square. So I'm just going to go ahead and play a game right now. So the sound works and everything. I have to mute it for copyright reasons, but yeah, the sound on this game especially is really good. And on Pokemon Fire Red, that was the other game that I tested out. So as you can see, it pretty much runs a stable 60 FPS throughout the whole game. You can press the home button again and configure some other stuff. So you've got cheat options right here. You can do a screen capture. If you press circle right now, it will take a screenshot of this and put it into the folder. So if you guys want to change the game while staying in the emulator, you can just press the home button, then just scroll down to load game. You can just press circle on that. Then you can just choose a different game. So let's go for Pokemon Sapphire. There you see it loads up fine. You can stretch the screen out even more to remove these black bars, but it just sort of makes it more stretched. So I'd rather just have them for the original Game Boy Advance size. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.